Hello YouTube, this is Moss99 here. I'm doing another gear review, and first I got some new goggles, kind of goggles, face mask. Face mask can detach. I don't know if I like it yet. Might take it off and go into a game tomorrow. So no then, and got a backpack, some other new things. I got a new sling. This is an ICS SIG 552. Haven't gotten a real silencer yet to cover my barrel. It's sticking out, so use that for now. If you're wondering, you can't really see it, but why I have so many slings on this gun, it's because it flops around a lot when I'm moving, just with the 1 point. So I just got a normal 2-point sling and put them on the front and the back. So I have 3 connections. I don't know if this will work yet either. I haven't actually used it in combat or Airsoft combat, whatever. Yeah, get this off. Got dead rag in this pouch in there. Got a compass. I got my KJW 1911 in this pouch. I didn't know this while I was buying it, but apparently this is a water bottle pouch because it's insulated. My friend told me after I bought it. I had planned on putting a couple mags in there, because I have a triple double stacked M4 mag pouch, but I didn't really have room for it, so I just wanted something smaller. But this works pretty good. I can fit my pistol in here. I can fit 3 M4 mags, and also has the smaller pocket, which I have BBs and some not really rope, smaller than rope but bigger than string. I got some zip ties, got my camelback thing, got 2 speed loaders there. Over here I have this utility pouch, got some citric acid and baking soda for my grenade. Oh, that's what I forgot, my grenade. Oh, shit. Hold on, I'm getting it. Usually I have this grenade pouch, the side-to-soft grenade. Here, forgot to put it on. Didn't fit in my bag with it on, so I took it out. I got some binoculars and some other type of goggles for some reason. Got my knife down here, rubber cold steel knife, and I got a pocket knife in here. That's pretty much it. Oh no, it's not. I have a backpack. Alright, this is pretty hard to get off. I have a chest rig with a backpack underneath it, so it's kind of hard to get it on and off. Got some buckles back here I can't reach. Oh, found it. Okay. Now that should come off, but it's not. Okay, what happened? What the hell is this? What? That. What is this connected to? I have no clue what happened. There's too many straps back here, I think. Oh wait, what's this? There's this one. Ah. Okay. Don't know what this is. Oh, one goes here. Okay. Well, got that off. In the backpack, it's a condor hydration carrier, I guess. It has a pouch back here for your bladder, and it runs up through shoulder strap, and it has this full zipper which extends the pocket a little bit and gives you a little more space. And in here I have some BBs and propane here, and I've got some tools and stuff, pliers. I don't really have much gear that I need to carry around with me, so don't have very much stuff to put in here. Yeah, that's pretty much all my stuff that I run on the field. I don't have my boots on right now. I couldn't reach my feet to put socks on once I had all my gear on, so I decided not to put them on. And well, that's my review of all the stuff that I take with me out on the field. So, thank you for watching. See you in another video.